Okay, so coughing yellow. Alright, so coughing yellow is actually an easy fix. So you have wax cardboard. I make an inhaler, quick one. Got the wax paper here. Tie wrap, you can use Scotch tape, you can use rope or string, whatever you got. This is a tea bag, damp tea bag. I just cleaned it out. I'm gonna grab some salt here. Salt actually makes a good mucus in the lung. You cough up like a turkey dinner, it's alright. I think this is iodized salt. It's best to use like sea salt. Sea salt doesn't have iodine in it. Alright, so we've got the orange peel here. I don't know, this is called citrus oxide, or what it is, but it's good, because here's how it works. You grab a lighter, you got the NOS from it, or citrus oxide, or oh, this one's actually, grab another orange. There you go. All right. Alright, so we got a few puffs from the inhaler. I'll give it about like 24 hours and should be alright tomorrow morning. Okay, so it's been close to 24 hours now, and kind of coughing up mucus still, but or phlegm, but less green in it, I guess, less infection. Well, there you have it. Simple inhaler. I puffed on it 3 times in the last 24 hours, not even. So 3 times a day. So 3 little puffs, 3 times a day kind of thing, over the last 24 hours, and coughing up white phlegm now. So probably like another maybe day, I'd say, till the whole thing's cleared up. It works pretty good. Spray from lemon zest and salt in your lungs. It actually feels good and actually tastes good, and it feels like you're eating chewing gum or having chewing gum, but deep inside your lungs, it's actually good for your breath and everything. All right, thanks for watching.